the $1.5 trillion reality. In 2025, while the world was debating the bubble of crypto, Solana quietly became the plumbing of new global economy. The total decentralized exchange volume hit 1.5 trillion last year. That isn't just a number, it's more than the GDP of most developed nations. 7 different Solana applications cleared over 100 million in annual revenue in 2025 alone. One of them, Radium, processed 347 billion in volume. They aren't just apps, they are digital toll booths. Every swap, every meme coin trade, and every institutional settlement pays a fees to the house. But here's the shock factor. You don't need to be the exchange. You just need to be the aggregator. Jupiter Exchange currently captures 93.6% of the aggregator market share on Solana using their Matisse routing engine. They aren't fighting for liquidity, they are directing it. Today, I'm going to show you why the window of new player is wider than you think and exactly where the trapdoors are hidden. The math of 100 million club. Let's look at the balance sheet. In 2025, Solana dApps generated 2.39 billion in revenue and a 46% increase year over year. Even as we sit here in April 2026, the momentum is accelerating. In January 2026 alone, Solana dApps revenue exceeded 146 million, outranking every other layer 1 and layer 2 blockchain on the planet. Why are founders obsessed with this? Because of capital efficiency. In quarter 3 of 2025, Radium's revenue surged 102% in a single quarter. Why? Not just from trading, but from their launch lab, which generated 11.93 million by itself. They built a platform that feeds itself. As a founder, you aren't building a product, you are building an ecosystem where you take a micro slice of every movement. The founder's dilemma. 3 pros and 3 cons. If you are considering launching a DEX aggregator, you need the alpha, the raw truth. Here are 3 reasons you start today and 3 reasons to walk away. Why you should start. Point 1. The institutional wave. In late February 2026, Solana's real-world asset market cap hit 1.71 billion, a 45% increase in just 30 days. Giants like BlackRock, with 550 million in their BUILD fund, and Citigroup are already on chain. They need professional-grade aggregators to route large-scale trades without slippage. Point 2. Low friction, high volume. Solana's average transaction fees sit at $0.017. This low cost allows for high-frequency trading and micro swaps that are impossible on Ethereum. Your toll booth will be much busier. Point 3. The agentic era. AI agents are now generating measurable economic output on-chain. These bots need API to swap tokens instantly. An aggregator is essentially an API for the bots of the future. Why you shouldn't start. Point 1. The integration trap. This is the number 1 killer. Protocols like Radium or Orca update their code constantly. If your team isn't monitoring the chain 24/7, a single update can break your routing and lose user funds. It is high maintenance marriage. The cost of sight. To see the blockchain in real time, you need high-end RPC nodes and metadata APIs like Birdeye. These operational taxes starts at 1,200 per month and can easily scale to 5,000 per month before you even acquire a first user. Point 3. The Jupiter Mott. Competing with a giant that has 93% plus market share and 3.2 million daily active wallets is suicide. If you are trying to build a Me Too product, you must find a niche where it's specific raw assets or specialized MEV protection. The technical Mott. AI arbitrage. Most agencies will quote you 40,000 to 200,000 for a custom aggregator, and they're still using 2022 workflows. At our firm, we embrace agentic AI to automate the protocol integration logic. By using AI to listen to smart contract changes and auto update our database, we cut development cost by 500%. Think about the math. If your traditional team takes 5 months at 30k per month, it means 150k total. And an AI driven team takes 1.5 months with one half of the staff. You have just saved enough capital to fund your entire marketing budget for a year. That is the only way a new founder beats the incumbents in 2026. The toll booth strategy. The next $1 trillion of global wealth won't be settled on Wall Street, it will be settled on chain. In February 2026, Solana processed 650 billion in stablecoin transaction, more than doubling its previous record. The infrastructure is ready, the liquidity is here, the users are waiting. The question isn't where a DEX aggregator is a good business. The number proves it. The question is whether you have the architecture to survive the integration trap and the grit to crave out your 1% of the market. If you want the specific technical blueprint we use to deploy these MEV resistant systems, including the exact RPCs, an API stack that keeps overhead under 2000, I have put together a founder's framework. Would you like me to walk you through the logic of how we handle the Radium's update problem? My name is Gaurav, signing off. See you in the next one. Thank you.